Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2015 Airstream 27FB toy hauler. Start off by showing you the wide rear sport hatch here. Pretty cool concept from Airstream. And you can put all sorts of goodies in here. Kayaks, bicycles, fishing gear, whatever. Pretty neat. I'm going to leave this rear wide sport hatch open during the video. Exterior length is 28 feet and exterior height to the large 15,000 BTU AC unit with heat pumps is 9 feet 10 inches. I do want to point out the doors on all Airstreams are the best built in the industry. And you do have the protectors, so if you have any dogs or kids, they're not going to tear up the screen. Definitely cool. Lots of upgrades. The owners did have solid wood plank flooring installed professionally. I'll show that more when we get into the video. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. These Airstreams are beautiful. Best built trailer in the industry, hands down. All Airstream trailers have the best resale value in the RV industry. Definitely a way to go when you go camping. All right. As I said, there's the rear wide sport hatch there. You can fit all sorts of goodies in here. I think usually it's, they're calling it 400 square cubic feet of storage space. Nice locker up top here. DVD player. This does have a 1,000-watt inverter, so anywhere you see a blue sticker on the outlet, that's dedicated to the inverter, so you can watch TV or use your electric and any kind of electrical devices when you're boondocking. I'm going to try to show all the storage in this coach. Shades were an upgrade, and the blinds. Nice skylight. Fantastic vent fan in the rear. Ducted AC all throughout. I believe that was a big deal in 2015. So ducted AC, and again, it's a 15,000 BTU AC unit with heat pumps. Nice stainless steel finish, or I'm sorry, aluminum finish on the ceiling there. LED lights. This is your quiet stream AC system on this coach. It's going to be the quietest in the industry. Show off that wood flooring. The owners had a lounge chair, a little lazy boy here, and just a little bit of some little dents in the wood. But anyway, and if you did want to have the booth feature, which breaks down into a bed, you can contact Airstream and see how much it would cost to get that little corner piece, and you can make a bed. And I think they're calling this sleeping 3 to 5 people if you did have that feature in the corner. It's a little cushion. And you can definitely sleep one grown adult here. And this is ultra leather finish. Fabrics, everything on the inside, I think in great condition. You do have, this is an upgrade from the owners. They had it professionally done. Nice locker system up underneath the sofa. Kitchen, nice add a leaf here on the side, more counter space. Huge bowl, sink, nice residential style faucet with sprayer. This is going to be your monitor panel with battery. You have 2 new batteries on this coach. Freshwater Tank, I believe, is going to be 39-gallon freshwater tank. Your gray water, I believe, is going to be a 37-gallon freshwater tank, and your black tank, which is your toilet, and that's going to be a 39-gallon. 110 outlet here, and this is going to be your inverter. 1000-watt inverter switch to turn it on, turn it off and on. And these are light switches. Pretty easy to figure out. It's going to be your 3-burner gas cooktop with cover. And the front burner is usually going to be the high output. Nice oven here. This coach has not been detailed whatsoever. We just kind of did a wipe down on the camper just to get it ready. All your drawers, all the cabinets, everything are all solid wood. It's not that particle board stuff. Your finish on the hardware is going to be a brushed nickel. I'm going to try to show off everything on this coach. Why not? Nice pantry here. Microwave. Lots of storage space. Neat little knife holder here, magnetic knife holder. You do have a range lid cover with light. And again, all the lights are all LED, saves you on your battery. Refrigerator, I believe it's a 6 cubic foot refrigerator, but I've been told on some video tutorials that it's 7 cubic foot. So anyway, it's by Dometic, gas, electric, automatics. Turn it on, a couple hours later, you are ready to go. I just want to point out, you do have, I believe, a 28-inch flat screen, and it is on a pivoting arm, so you can maneuver it any way you want. And there's your little blue label on that outlet, which is dedicated to the inverter. Little pocket door here for privacy from the living room into the bathroom area and master bed room. And this is going to be the huge closet. I'm one-handed, so your furnace is all ducted all the way through. It's a 25,000 BTU furnace, more than enough for a 28-foot travel trailer. It's going to be your shower. Definitely a residential style shower. It's the thicker plastic. Definitely not your traditional travel trailer shower. Nice vent up there and LED light. Oh, you do have a closed line here, pulls out and connects right there. I do want to point out another skylight, so you have dual skylights in this coach. Another fantastic vent fan, 2 fantastic vent fans in a 28-foot travel trailer. You do have a queen bed. Queen bed does lift up. Lots of storage up underneath. Let's show it. Here we go. Again, your curtain upgrades there. Nice locker above the bed there with LED lights inside the lockers. Reader lights above the bed. And you do, I want to point out, you do have 110 outlets on each side of the bed. Spin around here. It's going to be your second ace TV. Not sure how many inch that is, probably an 18-inch. And again, there's a that blue sticker on that 110 outlet dedicated to the 1000-watt inverter. There's your thermostat control over there, which I'll show you. And again, pocket door right there for privacy from the hallway into the master bedroom. Thermostat control, pretty easy to figure out. And again, this coach does have heat pumps. Bathroom, you do have China toilet, foot flush China toilet, and your toilet paper roll holder. All that stuff are in there. Nice medicine cabinet. Huge medicine cabinet, by the way. Nice portal window here. Pretty neat. Let's go ahead and go outside. I think I got everything in here. If I didn't, well, let's show off that stereo. Sony stereo. And I believe it is smart device ready, Bluetooth. And here's your little microphone here to operate if you want that option for the stereo. Yeah, let's go outside here. Oh, you do have deadbolt, heavy duty deadbolt. Definitely the locking mechanisms on these Airstreams are going to be the best in the industry. I do want to apologize for the noise. We're pretty close to a road, so hopefully my windsock on my road mic will eliminate most of it. Okay, your awning, I believe, is going to be, it's going to be a huge awning. It's at least 18 foot long. And it does have the aluminum shroud cover to protect it when it's closed up. LED light right here for your patio. Tinted windows, beautiful port windows. Aircraft grade aluminum skin on this coach. 15-inch aluminum alloy wheels with Goodyear D-rated tires. Before I go any further, and I forget, this is going to be the only thing that may be an issue to potential buyer looking for an absolute excellent condition Airstream. Little bitty dent. It was done by a dealership. Not going to name the dealership, but they looks like they got into something and just dented it right here. It's just cosmetic. Back up here, kind of show what that looks like. Max Air vent covers up top. There's your large AC unit. Dual Max Air vent covers, by the way. It's going to be your solar window guards here, stone guards here, solar window stone guards. Protects rocks from coming up and breaking your windows. And this is going to be the stainless steel panels, stone protectors here, rock protectors. And these hinge out. These are on hinges, and you can hinge them out and clean behind them and all that good stuff. I do want to point out your frame is a powder coated, painted, finished frame. You're not going to be looking at a rusty frame like traditional RVs. Your dual batteries are locked in a locking box here. This is going to be your locker, or I'm sorry, your trunk for up underneath the bed. You've got it's all diamond plated. I'm one-handed, but anyway, you get the idea. This is going to be your stainless steel, aluminum finish LP tank bottles inside here. 2 30-pound LP tanks, and your power hitch jack is pretty much brand new. Show off that Airstream badge there. All right, let's walk around to the other side. While I'm doing that, kind of show off the trailer a little bit. There's your 6-gallon direct spark ignition water heater. I believe you can get about 9 gallons out of that before it's totally empty. You do have a little locker here for storage. All your running lights, brake lights, everything are all LED on the outside also. I do want to point out it does have the window awning package. There's your furnace exhaust there. It's going to be a ram vent right here to get gas smells out when you're traveling. And beautiful aluminum alloy wheels. And this does have a torsion suspension, and you do have shock absorbers on each wheel. So this has 4 shock absorbers. It's going to be one of the best riding trailers you can find on the market. It's going to be your dumping station here. All your tanks are all heated and enclosed and protected, and your gate valves are also, there's your gate valves, and you do have an LED light right there too. And there's your sewer hose tubes, put your sewer hose in. Fully enclosed, heated underbelly. Outside shower here. This is your potable water here, 39-gallon gravity fill right here. It's your city water hookup here. I'm sorry, black tank sewer flush. Rinses out your toilet tank. You don't have to drag a hose inside anymore. And this is going to be your city water hookup. TV and satellite hookup here. 30-amp service hookup. Marine style cord there. Trying to get everything. Oh, I do want to point out, this is the Eddie Bauer Edition. I should have pointed that out in the beginning. Eddie Bauer, show off the Eddie Bauer badge. Trailer weighs 6,138 pounds empty when it came off the assembly line. Can't believe I didn't point out that it's the Eddie Bauer Edition. Anyway. Oh, you do have heavy-duty manual stabilizer jacks on all four corners. Shut that rear wide sport hatch and show what it looks like when it's closed up. Nice Eddie Bauer badge there. You do have an awning on the rear too. So you have dual awnings on a 28-foot travel trailer. All right, I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. If you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. If you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.